everyone, today we're playing Jailbreak, and as you can, holy crap. Yo, someone's here, let's go, unlock the vehicle!
No, get in the fucking Bugatti.
Alright.
Get in the Bugatti.
Alright, and we are playing with, today, MK, and we are here to rob. Wait, should we let these people in?
No, fuck them. And besides, this is a two-player car. It's either I kick you out and they get in, or we stay together.
Alright. Hit the soccer ball!
Fuck the soccer ball.
Bruh,
Soccer.
this is a friendly channel. Oh, crap. You locked the car. Okay, I'm in.
I'm so close to kicking you in the nuts.
Oh my god. I'm sorry. Alright, let's see what we get. I got a blue. Okay, I can deal with the blue.
I have some rocket fuel. Let's go super fast.
Gotta go fast. You have some rocket fuel.
Some rocket fuel. Are you sure about that? Okay, we have to head to the criminal
Guys,
base.
our license plate is ABCDEFG. It's actually EF. Bugatti.
Are you so sure about that?
It's now Bugatti.
You know,
Oh crap! We have to go to the city to get weapons and stuff, right?
Oh my fucking god, no we don't. We're going to the jewelry store.
Oh, okay, but shouldn't we have weapons? Honestly, I don't think it's a good idea. I'm not really good on laptop.
And I was freaking amazing on computer, but look at how good I'm doing on...
Oh, let's go to the Oh, never mind. You gotta be dressed up as a cop.
No, we don't.
That's what it said. Woo!
Fudge!
Oh my god! This is gonna be our new thumbnail. Oh my god,
We just
dude.
had a fatal blow.
Wait, let's get that chopper. Let's get the helicopter up there.
No, we're at the base. Do you want to go super... Okay, good. Now get out of the field, though. I locked it. God damn it.
Time to get my noob outfit on.
Get out of your poor person.
Wait a second.
Ew, poor.
You have to buy the friggin' shotgun, right? Yeah, gun shop. You have to go buy it. I have to go buy the shotgun in order to use it.
Take the pistol.
I took the pistol. I'm in the seat.
I swear to God, I fucking locked it.
Oh wow, so somebody could have gotten away with our Bugatti.
Only people who have the Bugatti can get away.
Bro, that's so cool how it lights up in the tunnel like that.
No, does the diamond skin. Oh shit.
Dude, friendly channel.
Fuck the friendly channel. It can kiss my asshole.
Bruh, 23 more hours. Wait, 23 more hours to what?
Get in, get in, get in.
I'm trying to get in.
Why did it unlock?
Okay. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Well,
Away!
I'm robbing a jewelry store.
Smart. Okay. See, good boy.
Where the fuck is it?
Stop! Away! I'm filming a video. Oh. Hi. Okay, I'm back.
Fuck.
That's a cop. That's a cop. I'm
No
shooting at him.
shit, Sherlock.
Oh crap! Get in the car! Get in the mother trucking car!
I'm in the
Bruh!
car.
Bruh! I'm gonna die!
Oh,
Great!
shit.
Now I lost the key card. You happy? Are you happy? I'm at the
Oh
base.
shit, I'm out of rocket fuel.
I'm at the base.
Which one? There were several.
Several? What the hell?
God, I'm going to lose my shit.
Okay, I'm at the volcano one.
Oh god damn it. Reset.
Reset? No, because then I'll spawn at the prison.
Never mind, I'm coming.
Ew.
Why the hell is it so hard to drive a car?
You know
I'm not
what?
gonna get-
I'm gonna go in my car and then I'm gonna meet you up.
Fine, go to the bank then.
Alright. Well, we don't even got a friggin'... Oh, damn! Is this a... Ooh. That guy looks
No.
nice.
We'll meet up at the bank.
Alright. Right now.
Never mind, I'm coming to you.
Okay, but I already... Whatever.
Hold on, I have to go to the gun store.
Of course, you're not even coming to me.
Go to the gun store.
Alright, meet up at the gun store. I am a horrible driver.
No shit, Sherlock.
That's why
if you
I
were
said...
driving up, we would have crashed so many times. I couldn't even see. Damn it, I'm
You'll
out
be
of
paralyzed. Skirt! Okay,
There we go.
I'm getting a little better.
Grab the pistol.
Okay, I'm following the road.
Why are you following the road? The whole point of the road is to not fuck.
Alright,
Someone stole my fucking car.
Oh, hell nah! Some cop, some pig, oink oink. Alright, I'm right here.
Hold on, I have to spawn it.
Skirt! Wait, what do you have to spawn?
There's a fucking power plant. Shit, where the hell? Mile 3 Porsche.
Oh, what the hell? Is that yours?
Where,
Is that yours?
what?
Oh, hell nah. Cop did not leave this. Bro, get in! Get flipping in.
No, that's a stupid ass car. Nobody likes it.
I like it.
Sure, you like it.
Because it's my dad's old car. We already wasted 6 minutes.
Get in the Porsche.
I want to drive this!
Fine, your funeral, because I have most of the guns.
Okay, whatever.
Where the hell's this power plant that they speak of?
Probably in the military base. Jet! Jet! Jet!
Fuck the jet.
Bro, you get cash. You didn't know that? Dipwad?
Oh yeah, that. Fuck.
I don't even know where it is. I just saw the jet.
Oh, I found a suitcase.
Wait, don't open it.
QE boy.
Where the hell did you go?
I'm opening up a briefcase.
God damn it.
Yay, 3,000.
Oh, wow, that could have been my 3,000, don't you think?
It could have been, but
So
it's
now
not.
you gotta drop me at least 1,000 cash because I'm the one who technically told you about it.
No, hurry up and get to the jewelry store. It's open for robbery. I'll rob it without you.
You need 2 people to rob it.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't. Are you retarded?
Well, must be because you need 2 people to do it.
No, you don't.
Oh, wow, I just hear the alarms going off. Isn't that fascinating?
Fuck. Okay, get to the museum.
I'm at the museum.
You are? Because I see your car driving to the fucking museum.
Technically, I'm at the museum then.
God damn it. Can you pick me up?
What happened?
I fell.
No!
Pick me the fuck up.
Oh, damn, train! Train!
Fuck the train. The museum's more. Yep.
Oh, let's go! Right on the train, right on the train. Let me just rob it, let me rob it. Let me just rob it. Let's go, let's go.
I've just gotten ran over by the train 3 times.
Oh, well, in that case, I'm robbing it. Oh, yeah, keep it on coming, keep it on coming.
I'm coming.
Wait, 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 wait. Okay, I'm done.
Yeah, but I'm not.
Time to roll out.
No.
Oh, crap, my car!
I've just gotten run over.
Again?
Yes, where are you?
Oh, I'm long gone. I'm right here.
Where?
Our cars!
Shit. I'll spawn one.
Yeah, hurry up. Hurry up before someone takes my car.
Hurry up and get in the Porsche.
You can't whip your Porsche.
Great.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Bro, we wasted 10 minutes. We're gonna make a part 2 video on this.
No shit.
Alright, we got 5 minutes left. So after this video, guys, we're gonna make another video, well, a part 2 video.
Yeah, that's totally PG family friendly. Has loads and loads of good words.
Good.
Well, to me, they are good words.
Oh, damn! The rocket fuel looks cool. It's like a blue.
Yeah, it's like a blue, except it isn't blue.
Oh, probably because of the car. Oh, what the hell? Oh, damn it, my phone died. Wait, my phone died. I gotta tell him. My phone died. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'll get it back to work. Alright guys, so we're doing some technical difficulties, so I'm gonna do this again. Okay, so we are still experiencing some technical difficulties. And Thomas is not on the line, unfortunately. So we are going to wait for my phone to charge because that is the device I was using the Q&A on. So yes. So thank you for the understanding, and God bless America. Yeah. And someone took my damn car. And I know it wasn't the pigs, because the pigs wouldn't take my car, even though it had siren on it. Crap. Woo! Okay, my phone's charged. I gotta go get safe haven. Oh, let's go, dude. Yes. Good thinking. Oh, crap. Right off the bat, I'm already dying, bruh. I'm tripping. Okay. Where's my mouse pad? Oh, damn. Okay. Alright. Okay. FaceTime Thomas. Sorry about it, folks. You can't wait for your pores. FaceTime Thomas.
Which Thomas?
Hold on, guys. Yeah, we're gonna have to make a part 2 on this video. So, and Thomas left me. God damn it. Yep. So what? Hold on. I don't know what's going on. Alright. Hold on. Okay. Thank you guys.
It's an emergency.
What?
Dad wants to call. Dad will stop you.
Okay, hold on. So, alright. See you guys next time, and subscribe.